I'm going to pick some of my home grown mint for some chutney. I'm growing my own spring onions as well, so I'll show you what I'm going to do with this some other time. The chutney that's going to accompany the pakoras will be made from some garlic, the mint that I picked earlier, a tomato, some coriander. I froze this because I can't go to shop all the time, so just before the lockdown I bought a lot and I put them in the freezer. And also I'm going to put some red chilies in there. I got my favourite chutney making jug out. I've got some of these tomatoes. I'm going to put some garlic, some coriander, the mint, some chili, including the seeds. There's no chutney without hot chilies in there, and without seeds there's no point putting them in because we don't get that kick. And then I'm going to just blast these with my zit. I'm going to put half a cup of Aryan. Get that, this natural yogurt drink. I love that in my chutney. And this is my trusty zit. Let's zit away. I think that's just about done now. Wow. Oh wow. Look at that. To this I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of yogurt. No, I think I put 4 in, just for good measure. And then we'll put in about a teaspoon of salt and give it a stir. Wow, let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, oh yes, that's going to go down well. I'm going to have some more. Go down well with some of these pakoras.